Jesus was the perfect example of how to live. When he knew his time with his friends was short, he did something no one expected. Let's read about it together. Jesus knew that the Father had given him authority over everything, that he had come from God and would return to God. So he got up from the table, took off his robe, wrapped a towel around his waist, and poured water into a basin. Then he began to wash the disciples' feet, drying them with the towel that he had around him. That's John 13:3-5 NLT. So this sounds weird now, but it was also a weird thing to do then. People washed other people's feet all the time. After all, feet were sandy because they walked everywhere and they wore sandals. But usually it was a servant's job. No one was washing their friends' feet. Maybe that's why Jesus' friend Peter was so uncomfortable with this. So let's keep reading. When Jesus came to Simon Peter, Peter said to him, "Lord, are you going to wash my feet?" And Jesus replied, "You don't understand now what I'm doing, but someday you will." "No," Peter protested. "You will never, ever wash my feet." Jesus replied, "Unless I wash you, you won't belong to me." And Simon Peter exclaimed, "Then wash my hands and head as well, Lord, not just my feet." And Jesus replied, "A person who has bathed all over does not need to wash except for the feet, to be entirely clean. And you disciples are clean, but not all of you." For Jesus knew who would betray him. That is what he meant when he said, "Not all of you are clean." So after washing their feet, he put on his robe again and sat down and asked, "Do you understand what I was doing? You call me teacher and Lord, and you are right, because that's what I am. And since I, your Lord and teacher, have washed your feet, you ought to wash each other's feet. I have given you an example to follow. Do as I have done to you." That's John 13:6-15 NLT. So Jesus knew he could do anything, but he chose to serve his friends, to do something for them that they needed. He was setting an example. Today, your friends probably don't need you to wash their feet, but they do need something. And it might be something as simple as an object, like they need a pencil during class, but it might be that they need someone to show them that they care about them. And here's the thing, good friends have fun together, but being a good friend isn't just about having fun. It's about noticing what others need and then doing something about it. And Jesus showed us that real friendship is built on love and service. And when you follow his example, you're not just being a good friend, you're becoming the kind of friend that you were made to be. So what's the point? You were made to be a good friend. And I think this statement is true for all of us. We want good friends. But to have a good friend, you have to be a good friend. And you were made to be just that, a good friend. And the first way to start doing this, well, look for ways to serve your friends. Good friends wash the feet of the others or serve them in ways when they need help. So focus on keeping your eyes open this week to looking for the needs of the people around you and what needs that they might have. Have a great group.